I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
I literally just detailed the M3 yesterday and now I'm forced to take it out in the rain. And by forced, I mean I made the decision all on my own. I really don't mind driving the car in weather like this because I have the option to put it in 4-wheel drive. Since this car is an X-Drive, I have the option to put it in rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. Look at this moron that literally skipped the entire line and just cut in front of me. But it is what it is. You can't really get mad at people doing stupid shit like that because next thing you know, you guys are beefing on the road and people are shooting at each other. I've seen road rages get really bad, and I told myself that it's never worth arguing or trying to fight someone on the road. It's just not worth your life. I do not do that whole road rage. Cut me off, do whatever you gotta do, brother. I'm trying to get home safe. Check this beautiful GT350 just driving down the road. That thing looks so good. I think the color's called Grabber Blue. Oops, we got an accident. And we got another accident. This one is really bad. Look, he literally rear-ended this and nothing happened to this truck. I guess having a truck is the way to go. Here's what we're gonna be installing today. This is the Fuel It Flex Fuel Kit, and this will help you know your exact ethanol content in real time, all from your smartphone or your tablet. You could view it on the Fuel It app or the JB4 app. Now let's see what's in the box. You got this that says Fuel It, and then here's everything to install it. It's a pretty simple kit, and they also have an installation guide on their website. So if you are running E85 or ethanol mix, you definitely need this kit. The days of you guessing what ethanol content you have in your tank are over. This will tell you exactly the ethanol content. It's super accurate and you don't have to guess. The guessing game is over. Sometimes the guessing game is dangerous because some people are tuned for E30 and they might mix a mix of E50. It's just too dangerous. You want to know exactly the fuel you have in your car.
Today we're installing a fuel lid on a G80 M3. Just an overview of what comes in the box. Obviously we've got the fuel analyzer sensor, the wiring harness, power, ground. This one connects directly to your JB4, so you'll be able to control everything. They gave us some silicone before you put your fuel lines on. Don't forget to silicone these up. This is a multi-connector and your 2 fuel lines. Pretty simple, straightforward. Let's get it done.
I want to show you guys the OEM fuel lines versus the fuel lines that came on the kit. Here's the OEM fuel line and here's the one that came on the kit. I want to point out the connectors. The OEM one is plastic, and then even this to lock it in place is plastic. I can easily break. I mean, I could break it with my hand. And the connector that we're putting in now is all metal. Everything is metal, and even this to lock it in place is metal. While Lance is finishing up, there's a really cool car I want to show you guys. Here it is, the 2021 X6M, and it just got wrapped in satin black and it looks so good. It has similar wheels to mine. They're just two-tone and it just looks so good in satin black, and I really like the rear taillights of this thing. Let me know what you guys think. Wow. And it also has red interior. Oh, it's locked. The keys were on the hood the whole time. All right, check this out. Look at this. You got the red guts. Beautiful seats. Look at that. You got carbon fiber everywhere. And then you got the X6M right on the headrest. Wow, the interior is beautiful. Look at that. You got the diamond stitching right here. All the ambient lighting looks so good. Let's check out the rear. Oh, gotta unlock it again. Look at that. This interior is beautiful. I love the diamond stitching going down the middle. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Lots of carbon fiber everywhere. Yeah, this thing looks so good. The satin black with the red interior is just perfect. And that's not the only satin black BMW they got here. Here's the M5 Competition, also getting wrapped in satin black with the blue brakes. Look at that, looks so good. And this one has the white interior. Wow, looks so good. So they're just finishing up now. And it also has the Valvetronic exhaust. Really nice exhaust and makes this thing sound really good. It also has the stars, which I've been thinking about doing to my car. Look at that, it looks so cool. And then you got the full Alcantara steering wheel. They're all done with the install and everything is back together and we are ready to roll. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna view my ethanol content all from my phone. First, we're gonna start the car. And then we're gonna go and download the Fuel It app, which I've already done. And we're gonna open it. And then we're gonna click connect. And it's connecting and boom, it tells me exactly the ethanol content. I have E11 in the car at this moment. At one point, I had a perfect E30 mix in this car when the tank was on full. But as you drive it, you burn fuel, but E85 and 93 does not burn at the same rate. The E85 burns 30% faster than 93. So while you think it's gonna keep burning at the same rate and you'll always have E30, you know, the whole tank, that's not true. And that's why you need this app, because it tells you that you need more E85 so you could bring that E-mix up to E30 instead of E11. So when you go to race and your car's not on full tank and you want to get that perfect mix, it's impossible to know how much E85 you burned and how much 93 you burned without having this app. So major shout out to Fuel It for sending this kit out to me. I'm gonna leave the link to the Flex Fuel kit in the description below, so go get yours now and stop wasting time. We got the G80 back home. Now we're gonna hop in the Trackhawk. So it's the Woodward Dream Cruise, and well, it was raining all day today and the weather finally cleared up, so we're gonna take the Trackhawk and head out. I'm gonna promise to make at least a few videos about the Woodward Dream Cruise. I usually don't cover it that well, but I think this year I'm gonna, you know, put in a little more effort and go see what Chevy has going on, what Ford has going on, what Dodge has going on, because they all got their own little sections on Woodward. Look how busy Woodward is. I literally had to take back roads to get here. As you can see, it's all red, showing that there's traffic all the way down. Look at that. Well, it stops right here, but if you go a little more down, yep, it's all right there. Now the challenge is to find a parking when there is literally no parking whatsoever. I mean, look at this. No parking anywhere. There's a cop in the middle of the road just parked there. Yeah, look at this. It is so busy. Yeah. I don't know why he's just parked in the middle of the road. That's the thing I hate about Woodward Dream Cruise, is that if you don't get here early in the morning to get a spot, it's almost impossible to find a spot. Look at this, just randomly in the back of an alley, there's a whole Ferrari. That is so sick. It's literally just in the back alleyway, like no one could even see it. We completely took over this gas station. We got a Urus, Ferrari, Trackhawk. I think this is M5, a bike, a red eye, a random white lady yelling. Look at all this. We got a Rolls, Vet, Hellcat, 300. Look at all this. And then you got mine right there. Slammed. Look at that. What a good looking Trackhawk. How you liking it?
Bro, it's nuts. Literally just throws you back in your seat. Like,
Is this your first time driving a Trackhawk?
yes, literally.
And you're driving 1,000
horsepower. Like a death trap.
What are you doing?
Recording myself.